Question 1 of this exercise says, construct a triangle ABC in which BC equals 7 cm, angle B equals 75 degree and AB plus AC equals 13 cm. So let's start with the steps of construction. Draw base BC equals 7 cm and at point B make an angle of 75 degree using protractor. So we will draw base BC of 7 cm using a ruler. We can draw BC. So that is B and that is C and that is basically 7 cm. Now with B as center, we'll use protractor and we'll make an angle of 75 degrees. So that angle is 75 degrees. Now in the next step, with B as center and radius equal to 13 cm, draw an arc to intersect ray BX at D. Now I'll put the compass at B and we'll measure the opening as 13 cm and we'll draw an arc like this that intersect BX at D. We'll name this point as D. Now the next step is to join D and C. So we will join D and C like this. Now in the next step, measure angle D and make angle ACD equal angle D. So we'll measure angle D using a protractor and we'll make angle ACD same as angle D. So this angle D, and we'll mark this point as A. This angle ACD is same. So these two angles, the one in red, angle ADC is same as angle ACD. So we have got ABC as the required triangle.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.